if you've been wondering where I've been for the last 7 days, it's been crazy. The internet was playing up, and as you probably know, some of you follow me regularly, my internet hasn't been the greatest in the world. And so I had to bite the bullet, and this weekend I've had fibre optic cable installed. And so now I've got a huge, powerful internet connection, and hopefully that should help. I've ranted about this for ages. I mean, I've done a video months ago about the state of broadband in the UK. And I'm with a company called British Telecom BT. They're the biggest. And they're basically a monopoly because they, through their company Openreach, which they're supposed to be separate, control all the infrastructure in Britain. So that's what happens when you get monopolies. You get screwed. You, the public, me, the public. So basically I had to fibre optic up the house, which means paying more money. And I was already paying for a service that was supposed to be giving me 10 megabits per second, but it was crap. It never actually worked properly the whole time I've had it. So I've had to bite the bullet and go for this fibre optic. Now the thing is telling me that I'm getting 30 meg upload speed and 10 meg download speeds. Now you've got to remember, where I live in Cambridgeshire is called Silicon Fen. You know, like Silicon Valley in America? They call this Silicon Fen because all the IT companies, all the computer science companies are in this area. Just 8 miles from where I live is the company Arm that builds and manufactures the chip that you're watching this video on your phone. They make 95% of the world's phone chips. So this is supposed to be high-tech area. But you come out of the city and the science area and you go into the rural countryside like where I am because you want the peace and quiet, and you go back into the 20th century unless you want to pay for fibre optic. Anyway, I'm back. That's where I've been. It's got nothing to do with me posting a picture of Trump on the 1st of April. Although I'd like to think so. But I'm back and I'll be doing some videos. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye now.